Yo, tubers, I'm going to show you safety first with your washing machine. But first of all, let me just scan around here because I don't know what all these people are doing in my back garden. There's a lot of dog shit on the floor here. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to, oh, fuck your washing machine large, innit? Oh, I didn't give it a chance to pick up speed. Woo! Washing machine, boogie with you. Slip, slap. Oh. Concrete, isn't it?
I say.
Motor's still going now, that's good. Oh, look at the paint coming out of the bottom. Shit. It's hanging on it though, isn't it? That gives me ready for a break. Oh, the belts come on. Fucking belts. Oh, I'm gonna come full of this. Pig fucker. Chucking all the shit out. Trouble is me pumping there that I want's gonna be covered in red paint now. It's fucking outrageous. Nothing stops these things. Let it rip, my man. Get in position, Hells. Get down, this one's good, though.
Oh.
Oh, blew the fucking thing open, look. Yay! Right, Dan, this could be lethal. The fact it's going to smash my fucking patio doors.
No,